Ever gone to the airport and suddenly your English runs away? You look at the counter, you look at the staff, and your mouth says, nothing?
Yes. My brain says, hello, but my mouth says, ticket, bag, sorry. Very sad moment.
Don't worry, today we fix this problem. Easy English, airport English, no stress. Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel Speakion. I'm Emily.
And I'm Paul. I am the traveler. But my English travels very slowly.
That's okay, Paul. Slow English is perfect. This is English for beginners.
Yes. If you can say hello, you're ready for the airport.
Exactly. Today we talk about travel and airport English. Simple words, real talk, like real life. Paul, you arrive at the airport. What do you see first?
Big building, many people, big bags, and panic.
Haha, no panic. First, you see the check-in counter. Check-in means you show your ticket and passport.
Check-in, like, check my face?
Not your face, your ticket, your passport.
Good. My face is shy.
So the staff says, hello.
I can say that. Hello.
Good. Then they may say, may I see your passport?
Passport. That small book. My travel book.
Yes, so you say, here you are.
Here you are. Easy.
Let's repeat. May I see your passport? Here you are.
May I see your passport? Here you are. Wow, I sound international.
Now the staff asks about bags. They may say, do you have luggage?
Luggage. That means bag.
Yes, big bag, travel bag.
I have one bag. Very heavy. Like my problems.
Haha. So you say, yes, I have one bag.
Yes, I have one bag.
They may ask, any hand baggage?
Hand baggage. Bag for my hand?
Yes, small bag. You carry it.
Oh, my small bag with snacks.
Important bag, so you say, yes, one small bag.
Yes, one small bag. With snacks.
You don't need to say snacks.
But snacks are important.
Now you go to security. Security means checking safety.
They look serious. Very serious.
Yes. They may say, please put your bag here.
Put your bag here, okay?
Or take off your shoes.
Take off shoes. My shoes are shy.
Haha, just do it and say, okay, oh.
Okay, easy word. I like it.
Repeat with me. Put your bag here. Okay?
Put your bag here. Okay.
Now you are inside. You need to find your gate.
Gate. Like a door?
Yes. A door for your plane.
Big flying bus door.
Exactly. You may ask someone, excuse me?
Excuse me, that is a polite word.
Yes, very polite. Then say, where is gate 12?
Where is gate 12?
Good. Let's repeat slowly. Excuse me. Where is gate 12?
Excuse me. Where is gate 12? I feel confident now.
You should.
Now it's time to board. Board means get on the plane.
Like, get on a bus?
Yes. Flying bus.
I like flying bus.
The staff may say, boarding pass, please.
Boarding pass. That paper or phone ticket.
Yes. So you say, here you are.
Here you are, my favorite sentence.
They may say, have a nice flight.
Nice flight, and I hope so.
And you say, thank you.
Thank you. Simple and powerful.
You are on the plane now. You sit. You relax.
I clap inside my heart. I did it.
The flight attendant may say, tea or coffee?
Oh no. Big question.
Easy answer, tea please. Or coffee please.
Tea, please. I need calm.
Always say, please. It sounds friendly.
Please is my best friend. Emily, one time I said chicken, please, but I wanted check-in, please.
Haha, that's okay. Chicken is also good.
Yes. Airport English is tasty.
Let's repeat some useful phrases. Listen and repeat. Hello.
Hello.
Here you are?
Here you are.
Excuse me.
Excuse me.
Where is the gate?
Where's the gate?
Thank you.
Thank you.
Perfect. Very clear. Very good. So today we learned airport English. Very simple English.
Yes. Hello. Passport.bag.gate. Thank you.
You don't need big words. You don't need fast English. Slow English is okay.
Yes. My English walks, not runs.
And that's perfect. Practice these words. Say them loud.
In the mirror. Or to your cat.
Ha ha! If you enjoyed this video, please like it
Subscribe to the channel.
and comment below. What country do you want to travel to?
And what snack will you take on the plane?
See you in the next video.
Bye-bye. Safe flight, everyone.